Welcome back to another one, guys. Today we're going to be doing some pheasant hunting. My good buddy from high school every year does a pheasant camp with him and his family over at Fox Ridge Game Farm in O'Connell Falls, Wisconsin. It's been blizzarding all morning, but roads weren't the greatest, but we made it. So should be a fun one. Stay tuned. There should be a lot of birds killed, and the snow should make for an interesting hunt. I hope you guys enjoy. Before we get into the hunt, I'm going to explain a little bit about how pheasant hunting normally works for anybody who hasn't gone pheasant hunting before. So when you're pheasant hunting, you normally do this in a field, and you'll do it with a group of people ranging from two, I guess you could hunt solo if you wanted to, so 1 to 8 people maybe, and you'll walk in a straight line. So you'll line up at the end of a field, and you'll send a dog out first, and then the dog will work the field, working back and forth, looking for movement, looking for pheasants, smelling for pheasants. And normally the type of dog that's used is called a pointer. And once the dog comes across a pheasant, once it has a pheasant locked down, it will go into what is known as point, where its tail will stick straight up. Once this happens, everybody will kind of huddle around the bird, and then either the dog will pounce on the bird and flush the bird up, or somebody will have to go in there and kick the bird up, and then that's where the fun starts.
I'm running through this first one here. There's no bird planted in it, but it'll calm her down, he said. Here! Point. Ready? That thing was buried. Keep an eye on it.
Hunt number 1 down. I'd say it's a success. We went 6 for 6 on birds, And we're going to be heading out here in about another hour for another hunt. Stay tuned.
Right there, it's running.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. I got it.
Oh, there it is. Come on. Smoke that one?
Yeah.
Better have that on camera.
Should.
I wasn't watching the burn. I'm like, anyone hit it? I just see it floating feather. Oh, there it is. Come on. Once again, I shot when it was already on its way down.
That's fine. Oh, I see it. It's right in front of me.
It was really close to you, that's why. How did I?
Alright guys, props of Jackson Pogo. Here's the proper way to unload your gun. You gotta fire it back, fire the shell up in the air and catch it. One tip if you're ever bird hunting, to make sure that you can still hear the people around you but you don't go home with your ears ringing. Got this one from my dad. Take one earplug and put it in whatever ear is on the side that you shoot. So I'm right-handed, so I put in my right ear. I can still hear everybody just fine, and my ear isn't ringing at the end of the day. The second hunt, we went 5 for 6. Didn't get the greatest of video on all of them. Had one that flew up right between my legs, and then we had one that was running that just got away from us. That was the one that we ended up not being able to harvest. But overall on the day, we were 11 for 12. I had a blast. Thank you to Charlie and Mr. Ruby and his family. I had a blast filming the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching also. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.